Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video. So exciting. So the reason I'm starting this channel, starting next week, I'm going on a nationwide road trip around America, starting from New York, and then I'm gonna stay there for the holiday season, and early January I'm gonna start visiting a few other states I always wanted to visit, just I'm gonna go to Chicago, Illinois, I'm gonna go to New Orleans, Louisiana, eventually I'm gonna go to California and a few other places I always wanted to go, Niagara Falls, maybe Disney World, who knows. So exciting times ahead, and I wanted to start the channel because I wanted to share everything with you. I'm gonna upload photos, I'm gonna upload videos, and I want you to join me on this trip that I've been planning for many years now, and it's finally happening. So I'm gonna spend Christmas in New York, and I'm gonna be at the tree lighting, the Christmas tree lighting at Rockefeller Plaza, December 2nd. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to watch the ball drop on New Year's Eve at Times Square, and after that Mardi Gras in New Orleans, and it's so exciting, so many exciting things to do, so many exciting places to go. And as I said, I want you to join me. So this is a short video, it's an introduction video. I'm gonna start uploading a lot more in a few days after I start my trip, and pictures and other videos, as I said. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, and I hope I know this trip is gonna be really fun. I hope I'll meet new people, make new friends, live new exciting experiences, and please join me. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so much fun. And if anyone else out there is on a road trip, hit me up. Let's meet up. Let's have fun. So exciting. So I'm gonna go now, and please subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.